Hey, Mark Hamrock here. Today we're checking out the differences between the two most popular electric guitars on the planet. Yes, the Fender Stratocaster and the Gibson Les Paul. So let's start with a Fender Stratocaster. Got one here. First of all, you're going to have a bolt-on neck, which means that the neck is screwed onto the body. An advantage to that is if I want to swap out the neck, if I want to put a different shaped neck on or a neck with a maple fingerboard, it's real easy to do that. All I do is unscrew this neck and screw another neck on. The disadvantage to that is you're going to lose a little bit of sustain with a bolt-on neck as opposed to a glued-on neck, which is what the Les Paul has. Another difference is that Stratocasters tend to have single coil pickups. Single coils are going to be a little bit brighter sounding, a little thinner, not as full sounding, and not as much output as humbucking pickups, which is what a Les Paul has. Another difference is the bridge. Typically you're going to have a vibrato bridge on a Strat, which means that I can clip in a whammy bar and use that for vibrato or doing dive bombs, what have you. Les Pauls aren't going to have vibratos on them. Another big difference is the body itself, that a Strat has a little bit thinner of a body, a little more lightweight, and it's also contoured a little better to your body, so it's a little more comfortable to play, whereas Les Pauls tend to be a little heavier, slightly bulkier, and just not as ergonomic as Stratocasters. So let's get started. I'm going to play some samples. I'm going to be playing through a Bogner Shiva 50-watt head through a 212 cabinet. If you want to see the full signal chain, I'll post that down below. And I'm going to start with some clean samples, and then we'll move to some dirty samples. So let's get going.